Welcome to ChiliPAC. This tutorial will be about the Search Booklists and Search Users features. You can find the features by going to the front page of your library's catalog, where you will find the Search Booklists and Search Users links here. Let's start with the Search Booklists feature. The purpose of the Search Booklists feature is to find a book list using a keyword in the book list title, item titles, or author's name that are on the book list. This enables you to find various options or reads for a topic you are researching. Or if you are a library staff member and want to respond to a patron's request, you can view the items other librarians have recommended as reads on the requested topic. Before doing a search, modify the filtering settings to fit your needs. You can choose to look for book lists in your own library, which is the default setting, or search the worldwide database of book lists created in other libraries. You can choose to display book lists created by all users or only library staff created book lists. Once you click on any search results, like this, it will open the public book lists in the full book list view, like this, where you can see the creator and other book lists created by the user, as well as a list of items on the book list. You can learn more about book lists in the book list tutorial linked in the description of this video. Now, to get to the Search Users feature, go back to your library catalog's front page and click the Search User link like this. The purpose of this feature is for you to be able to find your friends, library staff members, or other users by their nicknames used within your library's catalog. To find a user, you will need to add a search term in the Search Users field and then select the search scope, whether you want to search for the user within your own library or worldwide. Then click Search. The user search results lists all the users found with a specified keyword in their nicknames, and by clicking on any users like this, it will take you to the selected user's profile. This will allow you to look at the user's public book lists and bookshelves, as well as start following the user if you are logged into the library's catalog. You can learn more about the user profiles in the My Profile tutorial linked in the description of this video. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.